so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make bitter gourd chips. Very easy and crispy snack recipe. You can also serve this with sambar rice or curd rice. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 200 grams of bitter gourd. Make sure it's nice and fresh. Cut both the ends of the bitter gourd. Now make thin slices using a knife. The more the thin slices are, the more crispy it's going to be. If you have a very thin slicer, you can use that as well. But today I'm using a knife. Now we are ready with all the bitter gourd slices. Soak the bitter gourd slices in a bowl of water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. This is just to reduce the bitterness. Give it a quick mix and let this rest for 2 hours. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the slices one by one. Keep the flame in high throughout the frying process. Let this fry for 2 minutes until it's nice and crispy. Now it has started to brown a little. Continue to fry. Now it's nicely done and dark brown, so let's remove from the oil. Likewise, fry all the slices. Now our delicious bitter gourd chips is ready. It's very crispy. You can store it in an 8-8 container and use it for 3 days. So do try this bitter gourd chips at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.